Welcome to YOYO Health. This is Anchula Mishra. Post-delivery women should take these diets. Turmeric. Turmeric contains vitamin B6 and C, fiber, potassium, magnesium. So it is packed with essential vitamins. Not only it is a standard ingredient in Indian cooking, it has been used for centuries to heal external and internal wounds. There is some evidence to suggest that turmeric helps us to reduce inflammation. Pulses and lentils. Pulses are considered an essential element of well-balanced diet. They are rich in fiber, protein, vitamins and minerals. Pulses such as moong and masoor are easy to digest and you can have them in fodder for halwa and khichdi. Almonds. Almonds are rich in carbohydrates, fiber, vitamin B12 and E and contain minerals like magnesium, copper, potassium, calcium and zinc. As there are so many nutrients packed into an almond, it is an ideal food to have while recover after birth. Hi everyone! Did you download YOYO TV app? No? Then go and download from your Play Store, where you will get news and entertainment masala. So go, hurry up and download it YOYO TV app.